If you're using Remitly to send money, you might be curious about how quickly the recipient can claim it. So, Remitly offers a few options like bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallets, each with its own timeline. So, in this video, I'll go over how long each method takes so you can know exactly what to expect. So, and if you're new to Remitly, you can sign up for a free account with the link below and get a free transfer fee. So, now let's dive in. With Remitly, the time it takes to claim money depends on the delivery method. So for the bank deposits right here, or first let us go over for the mobile money. So mobile money, this transfers to mobile wallets and it can be completed within minutes or almost instantly, but this may vary based on the recipient's mobile provider. Next is bank deposit. Now, for the bank deposits, funds are usually available within minutes to hours with express transfers and 3 to 5 business days with the economy transfers depending on the local bank times. So, if you don't know what's the difference between express and economy transfers are, so the express transfers, these are the funds that are paid through debit or credit card, so the money is available within minutes. And for the economy, this transfers from bank or from a bank account and may take up to 3 to 5 business days again. Now for debit card deposit, this also transfers almost instantly after the sender send the money. Now for cash pickup, so if you send for cash pickup, the money is often available within minutes and the recipient just needs to bring valid ID to the designated pickup location. Lastly, for the home delivery, this transfers in 3 days. So Remitly also will provide an estimated time based on your delivery and payment method before you confirm the transfer. So if you haven't signed up again yet, you can create a free Remitly account with the link below and have a free transfer fee. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.